Hello everyone, Pappu. Today in this video, I will share with you Google Ads optimization one step. It is the very most important for Google Ads. If you don't know about this, that means your budget is wasting. Okay, so are you Google Ads running 24 to 7 and wasting money when no one's ready to buy? Let me show you why a schedule can save your budget and boost conversion. Actually, yeah, you are right. Today in this video, I'll share with you why Google Ads scheduling is very important for every Google Ads. Okay, so let's see. I want to share with you this one, my e-commerce brand, and it is the last 30 days result in this month. So actually, I'm running right now PMAX sales mainly. This is my main target. So in this video, actually, most of people actually don't know what is the ad scheduling process like. This time to we are getting the cell. We are don't know. Okay, so today in this video, basically we will be learn like why Google Ads scheduling is very important, when to use it, and what is the Google Ads scheduling, why ads schedule is important, when you should use ads scheduling. So actually, what is the Google Ads scheduling? We need to at first understand. Okay, we already discussed about this topic. So right now we will discuss what is the Google Ads scheduling. So ads scheduling means you chose a specific day and times when your ads will run instead of show ads all day. Like every day you show them only when your ideal customer are online. Right. So that is the Google Ad scheduling, and why ad scheduling is very important. Right. Actually, when you will be actually use the Google Ad scheduling, it will be help for save budget, increase conversion. You will be as a better ROI. Business hour be scheduling very important. Okay. So actually, most of people sometimes say when you should use ad scheduling. Actually, first of all, I don't say like directly you can, but yeah, some business for you can use directly. Like if your business only operates during charting hours, like restaurants, clinics, service businesses, and also if you run only as should match office hours to we should to run call only as, because we need to the receipt in this time and need to the active, right? So if analytics shows most conversion happen at certain times day, right? If you want to test different time slot for best performance, like A/B test, you can do this. Okay, like for example, we can say, for example, one of my clients was spending money on ads late at night, but 90% conversion happened between 9 a.m. and 7. Once we schedule ad run only during 2 hours, their cost or conversion dropped by 40%. So don't just run ads blindly. Set up ad schedule to run smarter, no harder. Want me to audit your campaigns and set the right schedule for your business? Drop a comment or message me today. Okay, I will be audit for your business. So let's see actually live today. How can we analyze this? Okay. So we should be at first need to the auction inside. You can see that. So if you don't understand, if you are a beginner, you don't understand where is the you can't find, you can check step by step. But we can see when and where a short, when you will be click there, then hopefully you can see which device to actually you will receive the conversion. So you can see I actually normally remove this one like tablet and TV. I only focus mobile and computers. That's why we are receiving this one. Okay, so then we need to the when as shows. When you click, then you can see the, if you want to the day basis analysis, you can do this. If you want to the conversion basis analysis, you can do this. Actually every people we know, actually this one the conversion rate. Okay, so if you want to the only day basis, then you can see, just click and you will be see the three icon, and then also you want to see actually most conversion this time, then you should be select there, then hopefully you can see the you can see the conversion trends. Okay, like this time to you are receiving the most conversion. Okay, you can see that. So this is the process actually. If you maintain this, then I hope you will be achieve the benefit on this your campaign. So if you need to the Google Ads audit and analytics service needed help, you just feel free contact with me on WhatsApp or your suitable social media before that. So don't be late. Just feel free message me. I will check. Till then, take care. See you in another video.